Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Taco Bell grilled chicken burritos. To a bowl we're going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm going to be using my Traeger smoker. So if you're going to be using a gas grill, use 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke in this marinade. So to the bowl with the soy sauce, we're going to add 1/2 cup of water and all our seasonings. And I'm going to give it a tiny whisk together. We're going to add the marinade to 2 chicken breasts. We're going to cover and let it marinate overnight. And now after it's marinated overnight, it's time to cook. I'm going to be cooking this on my Traeger at 225 for an hour, so I can get the smoke flavor so that I use the liquid smoke. Now if you're going to use a gas grill or an indoor grill, you're going to cook it on medium-high heat for 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until the temperature of the chicken reaches 165. And as that cooks, we're going to take 1 cup of water. We're going to bring it to a boil. Now that the water's starting to get hot, we're going to add 1 cup of instant rice. Then we're going to cover and let that cook for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes is up, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to fluff the rice. And we're going to add 1/2 cup of enchilada sauce. Mix it together. Return it to heat until the sauce is hot. And now we're going to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. And now we're going to heat up 4 tortillas. You can do it in a microwave or however you want to do it. Now it's time to make our burritos. Take about 1/4 of the rice. 1/4 of the chicken. We're going to add cheddar cheese. This recipe calls for Monterey Jack. I kind of find Monterey Jack, so I got Copycat. It's got Monterey in it. Now we roll it up. And now it's time to eat. Let's dig in. Bon appetit. It's a simple but good burrito. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.